In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Chande Kroll Stop indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this indicator showing on your charts in just a few moments. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. On your chart screen, look toward the top of the page for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and studies live. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button to open the Indicators window. Once that window opens, you'll see several tabs and categories. Find and click on the section labeled Technicals. This helps narrow things down to the core technical indicators, so you don't have to scroll through everything TradingView offers. Clicking Technicals makes it easier to quickly locate what you need, especially if you're new to the platform. Inside the Technicals section, look for the search bar near the top of the Indicators window. This is the fastest way to find a specific indicator instead of browsing through long lists. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now type Chande Kroll Stop into the search field. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results in real time. When you see Chande Kroll Stop appear in the list below, that's the built-in version we're looking for. Go ahead and click on that result once. As soon as you do, the Chande Kroll Stop indicator will be added directly onto your chart. You should see its lines appear, usually overlaying your price action. From here, you can customize the settings if you want by hovering over the indicator's name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. You can adjust inputs, colors, and visibility to fit your trading style. If you're just getting started, it's perfectly fine to leave the default settings while you learn how the signals behave with your strategy. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features, better layouts, and additional indicators on one chart, use the link in my description to sign up. It's a convenient way to upgrade and follow along with all my tutorials using the same tools and layouts you see on screen. That's all it takes to add the Chande Kroll Stop indicator on TradingView Pro. Open Indicators, go to Technicals, use the search, select Chande Kroll Stop, and you're ready to start analyzing your charts.